In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Twilio region. Whether you're aiming for increased efficiency or just want your services to be closer to where you conduct most of your business, switching regions can help optimize your Twilio experience. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First off, log into your Twilio account. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your Twilio console. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will ensure you can navigate easily through the different options available. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice the handy Twilio console sidebar. It's a hub where you can explore various features and services offered by Twilio. Our first actionable step is to click on the Explore Products option located in this sidebar. This section is designed to give you a comprehensive view of the services you can access with Twilio, and it's where we'll begin our region change journey. Now, as you scroll through, keep an eye out for the phone numbers card. This is what we need to find so we can make the necessary changes to your region settings. This card is like a control center for managing your numbers, and here you'll be able to pinpoint exactly what region you're working with. The layout might present several options, so ensure you're focusing on the section labeled with phone numbers. It's visually distinct and usually easy to locate amidst the other service cards. Once you've found the phone numbers card, take a look at the right-hand side, where you'll notice a pin icon or a drop-down arrow. This is your magic button for region selection. Click on this feature to reveal a list of available regions. Twilio offers several regional options, so select the one that best aligns with your operational needs. You might choose Ireland IE1 if you're focusing on Europe, or Australia AU1 if the Asia-Pacific region is more relevant for your business. These regions are strategically located to help enhance connectivity and reduce latency, making your communication operations more seamless and efficient. Take a moment to review your selection. It's important that the region you choose aligns with your strategic goals, be it for legal requirements, latency reduction, or customer proximity. Once you've confirmed that everything looks good, simply finalize your choice and your region setting will be updated. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Twilio region. Remember, selecting the right region can have a significant impact on your communication strategies, so make sure to revisit your settings anytime your operational needs change. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips on optimizing your digital communication tools.